Guys, this is Zach. I'll be doing a Bobcat S185 skid steer review, or not review, tutorial. So this is the machine. Your S185 should be on the side there. You'll see it. Yeah, I'll just teach you how to use it. Okay. This is BC. You can tell it's smoky. You can't even see the mountains in the back. Okay. So basic tutorial would be okay. You got your two levers, which are for driving the machine. Like push it that way, pull this one back, and you're going right. Opposite, just to go left. Both forward to go forward, both back to go back. Pretty simple. You have an option of foot control. I don't know if you can see that or not. Foot or hand control. I do foot because it's a lot easier, in my opinion. Your left foot controls how the Bobcat, like the bucket, controls up and down. Back to go up and down to go down, and or forward to go down. Sorry. The right pedal is for tipping the bucket. Back is to tip the bucket up, and forward is to tip the bucket down. These are your running modes. So flicked up, you're in fast mode, which I am right now. For getting around faster. I'm just running some water out for the deer. Flick down for your slow mode. Pretty good for doing like moving material and all that kind of stuff. Like we have top tail that we're spreading right now, so I'll go into slow mode for that. And yeah. To turn on the machine, you'll use this pad over here, and this is your traction lock override, which allows you to use the machine, but you'll have to have your restraining device down. Auxiliary for if you're running like a grapple or a sweeper or something like that, and for grapple. With this, the other ones you can just flick on and off with like your sweeper, your cultivator, or whatever. Yeah, you got your cigarette lighter, or your power, I guess. Window wipers, AC. This is just showing you your oil temp, your gas. This is for you can't really see it, but for switching buckets and stuff. You got your park brake. So yeah, to power it up after you have the machine on, to rev the RPMs, is this lever right here. So you can kind of see the rabbit half covered up with dust there, but that's to make the machine, rev the RPMs up so you can go a little faster. So I'll turn it on. And I'll drive over there, and yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I'll play with the bucket a little bit, but you probably won't be able to see my feet. So yeah, I'll just run it over down there, and then we'll call it a video. So enter, and then start. Now traction override. And now we'll rev it up. well, this thing rides like a Cadillac. Not really. The machine's probably 10 years old or so. We got an S650, a 2017 one, just recently that we use for commercial. And yeah, it's a lot smoother. Just it has a hard time turning when it's in the fast mode. But yeah, okay, I'll yeah, I might as well just leave this thing here. Yeah, there's no point in showing you the bucket controls because it's pretty self-explanatory. Just pedals, back is up, forward is down, and this one here, as I said before, so you won't be able to see my feet anyway. On this thing, it's pretty dark. So yeah, that's the video. Maybe I'll show you or upload a backhoe tutorial as well, and if I end up getting to use the Bobcat, the S650, maybe I'll do that one too, just for the hell of it. So yeah, bye.